This is a quick guide on sending message using multi-port communication in Vanguard Create. After designing the message in Vanguard Create, operators can send it to several Hx Nitro printer installed in the production line all at the same time. This is possible using the multi-port communication. Proceed to Home and select Network. To add several devices, click Manage Devices. A sub-window will open. Create a name for each Hx Nitro printer, then add the IP address and click Add New Device. Follow the same process to add another printer. Submit by clicking All Done. After adding, you can activate or deactivate each printer by simply ticking the box next to them. Once done, click the Send Message. A notification will appear when the message is sent successfully. If you need to send the message to a particular printer, you can tick on or tick off to activate. For more details, please contact technical@maplejet.com.